Hey, welcome back to the Mr. Excel Netcast. I'm Bill Jelen. Today, I'm going to talk about using OpenAI right inside of Excel, thanks to Excel Labs. Now, some of you might have seen my silly videos yesterday for Spreadsheet Day, where I get various actors or singers to talk about Excel. But there's a good Excel story behind the three singers and how we created those songs. So I'm using an add-in from Excel Labs. Now, a lot of you already have this add-in because the advanced formula environment is there. But in particular, I'm using labs.generative AI. Now, to make this work, you need to get an API key. It's very easy to do. You start at openai.com. We're going to log in and go to this API section, create an account, and go to View API Keys. They'll generate an API key for you. I think you get 30 days free, but it's really worth it to drop a credit card in there. I'm amazed with like over 5,000 calls that I've used. It's just, a few dollars. It's laughable how inexpensive this is to use. One of the videos yesterday is from a Jamaican reggae dancehall star named D'Angel. Now, I know nothing about reggae dancehall, but in order to convince D'Angel to sing about spreadsheets, I had to come up with some lyrics. So, equal labs, and then in the prompt, write a song about the joys of Microsoft in the Excel in the style of, and then click on A3, close paren. Now, it's not going to calculate instantly because it's going out to the API, waiting for the OpenAI to generate the answer, and then it'll come back. I actually did this with another project where I copied this formula down to about 1,000 rows, and literally it's one where you just needed to go get a coffee and go to lunch. But when I came back, all 1,000 were done. It was fairly amazing. Okay, so every call you're going to get a different answer, but when I sent this to D'Angel,
makes my dates a dance like never before,
were the lyrics that I got on that particular day, and she was a great sport and created the music behind that. Same thing with the Naked Cowboy.
Columns and grooves, formulas galore.
I think I used country and western on that day. And then Roy Stride from Scouting for Girls, I think I just actually put the name of the band in.
Your formulas and your charts, you make spreadsheets a work of art.
All right, so you can see there, it's still calculating that little green symbol, but the second one is back. And I sent this in, and they all were awesome sports about this. All right, so check out this labs.generative AI from the amazing team in Cambridge at Excel Labs. Now, to get it, most people will go to the Insert tab, and right around here will be Excel add-ins. They're moving that to the Home tab. So depending on whether you're on Insiders Fast or not, you'll find that add-ins button. Just go there, search for Excel Labs. The add-in itself is free. It's just the API key that you'll need for OpenAI is something that you're going to have to pay for if you continue to use it after the 30 days. Well, hey, I hope everyone had a great time with our Spreadsheet Day videos. I want to thank you for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another Netcast from Mr. Excel. If you like these videos, please down below like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Feel free to post any questions or comments down in the comments below.